Hello, welcome to RCT Pupala again. And right now, today it's gonna be an unboxing, and this is a very important thing for me as a GoPro YouTuber because I use GoPro as my main camera and even as my recording camera while riding. So while riding, I hope in my previous videos there is no such a clarity of voice because I'm not using any kind of mic. Because first thing which I need for this GoPro is an adapter. So first I need to get an adapter, and after that only I could connect a mic to this beautiful gadget. So to use this gadget we need that beauty right now, and I have this as a pack. You see that it came all the way from Las Vegas. And let's unbox it right now. And within that, here we go, the beauty, the gadget which we need the most. Let's check it out. Oh boy, this is a small cover. Let's throw it away. Now, here we go. The first thing that comes out is a white color box, and within that, here we go, the magical wand of GoPro, which is a mic adapter. And along with mic adapter, we have one small manual which asks us to update our GoPro. Before using your GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, you need to update Hero 6 or Hero 5 camera with the latest software. For details, visit gopro.com, because without this update, I don't think GoPro adapter will work properly. If I'm not wrong, there is a small issue with the GoPro 5 personally, because the people who are using the mic adapter, they always face this issue while they start recording just with this small button. Normally we used to turn on the mic camera from here. After that we used to start the recording from here. Now let's suppose for some shots we don't have the proper time, so obviously we will directly turn it on by using this button. So once you click on this button, it will directly start recording. Now at that point of time, even if the mic adapter is been fixed, the mic adapter might not even function. This happened to many YouTubers till date, so maybe that might be the reason for GoPro people for asking this an update. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna set it right now. So let me just show you first how to do this fixation. So let's just eject the camera from its case. Let's pop it out. Done. Now we need to open the side panel. We can also even remove this and put it aside. Now let's just have it aside. Now let's open the mic panel. This is a small mic panel. It comes with a good quality. The very first thing which I like is the C-type adapter, and the cable is also of strong quality. It does bends in a proper way. Do you see that? Almost a 90 degrees bend. Yes, it is good. And we have a mic and an USB charging pin here itself also. So even if we are using the mic adapter, also we can charge our GoPro directly from here through a power bank, if I am not wrong. So here it goes. There is an USB C type plug here. we can directly plug into it and we can fix that. And that how it's go. And this is the frame which we need to carry out. So after being said this, so we got the GoPro, we got the adapter. So what do we need next? We need a mic, a working mic. But by mistake, instead of ordering 3.5mm jack pinwall mic, I ordered a 2.5mm jack's mic. So obviously this is just waste of money. So after that, we have two more packages to unbox. One is to be unwrapped and the second one is to unbox. So the first thing, we'll go with the unwrapping of this small packet in which we got a 3.5mm jack wall mic. So I'm using a nail cutter as of now. Come on. We go with the 3.5mm jack mic. Let's just open it completely. So this is an omnidirectional mic. It will catch your voice because you will be close to the mic. So simple thing, it will go in like this, and either we can have it on our t-shirt like this, or else we can even plug it to the mic wire just like that. Obviously while I will be driving, so I will keep this mic to my helmet itself, within the helmet like this, and will record the voice. So that's it. The whole audio functionality of GoPro will start with the GoPro, updated version of GoPro. Later on it will be connected with a GoPro adapter, mic adapter, and you need to plug in a 3.5mm jack microphone. That's it. The last packet to which I am looking for more than a month. It's just here. Let me just open it. So this is a gadget I am looking for. And I got it finally. Let's just open it. This is not the GoPro original one, but it is like a dupe of a GoPro gadget. But as I have seen all the reviews, it seems it is working very good, which is almost equal to a GoPro gadget. So this is the handle or a selfie stick or a GoPro tripod, which we can use in a multiple way. We can use it like this, and we can even vlog like this, or else if we want a closer location with a longer distance, we can log it like this. And if you want it to be working as a tripod, you need to just open it like this, just pop it up, extend these three legs like this, just place it on a table, and you can just fix your GoPro to this small case, and it will function as a tripod for GoPro. So no need to put your GoPro down on some of the surfaces, and no need to worry about the location. You can use this tripod. So these are all the gadgets, and I will be checking out the performance of this mic tomorrow early in the morning, and that video will be coming out so soon. So let's wait for it. And this video, it is done for now. If it helps you, that's well and good. And if it don't help you, I will be coming out with more gadget reviews and more gadgets that are required for the regular vlogging. So please be updated. So for getting updates, please subscribe to RCD Pupala. Signing off. Thank you. Have a great day.